I will show you how you will make up to 24,000 naira or more within 6 days. Stay tuned, guys.
Oh, my name is Nasty Black, aka Dubai Prince. Did you know Palmpay rewards you for being on their app? Who does that? Only Palmpay.
What's up, guys? It's Leo here again. I create content on online business and how to make money online and offline. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please smash the subscription button and turn on the bell notification. What the bell notification does is to notify you anytime we post beautiful updates just like this one. And to my returning subscriber, I appreciate you always coming back to this channel each time you get notified of a new video. In today's video, I'll be taking us step by step how you're going to make up to 24,000 naira or more using this beautiful platform. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving away 20,000 naira to my lucky subscribers. So you just have to stay tuned to know the procedures you are going to follow in order to win this money for yourself. And still at the end of this video, I am going to be giving a bonus tip on how you are going to make more than that 24,000 naira within 6 days. So stay tuned, guys.
Whatever you do on the app, you get rewarded. Like sleep on the app, sing on the app, dance on the app, swim on the app, and the most interesting part.
But before we get into this video, guys, I would like you to use 3 seconds of your time to smash the like button of this video, guys. Smash the like button, it no go cost you anything, okay? It won't cost you extra data. Just smash the like button of this video. And if you are still here to subscribe to this channel, smash the subscription button of this channel, okay? And don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified each time we post awesome videos just like this one you're watching. Okay, guys, let's get right straight to the video.
The platform we are going to be using is Palmpay. I'm going to leave a link so you will be able to download the correct platform, so you won't go and download a fake application. All right, so the platform is this. So once you click on the link and you get registered, the registration does not take up to 3 minutes or 5 minutes. You are done with the registration. So once you are done with the registration, this is the interface you are going to see. And once you get here, you can buy data bundle, you can buy airtime, you can bet, pay bills, early refund, repair and earn, TV subscription, credit and loan. You can still get loan with this. You can still get free data, electricity. You can pay electricity bill. You can do a whole lot of things with this platform. But guys, we are not here to do all these things because this is not what we are going to be doing in order to make this 24,000 naira or more in 6 days, right? So you just have to click over here, right? Click over here. So once you click there, it is going to bring you over to this place. So you're going to see your account number. So your phone number is going to be your account number. So you must have filled all these things during the registration, but you just have to click here to confirm and complete your KYC. So you have to type in your nickname, right? Make sure your full name, that is your legal name, is there. Then you have to add a Palmpay tag. You have to put your mobile number, then your email address. Then the most important thing you have to do is this. You have to make sure your authentication is correct. You have to fill in your authentication that's put your bank account, all right, where you'll be withdrawing. You're going to fill in your BVN. You're going to make sure you fill those things and they are correct and you are verified. Then the next important thing you are going to do is to fill this KYC. You have to fill this KYC over here. Make sure you fill it and make sure you are verified. So once you are done, you just have to go back, right? Go back to the home page. So once you get to the home page, the next place you are to go is here. You have to click over here that says me. So once you click there, it is going to bring you over to this place. So the next thing you have to do again is to click right here that says invitation, right? So once you click here that says invitation, it will bring you over here. So you just have to do what? Scroll up a little bit and you're going to see where they wrote get credited 2,000 naira every day, right? Look at it over here. So let me do it again. Look at it over here. Get credited 2,000 naira every day. So that is where the magic is going to happen, right? That is where the money we are going to be making will be coming from. So you have to click right here, all right? So once you click here, it is going to bring you over to this place. So you just have to click right here that says invite now, right? So but before then, they are going to be giving you 1,750. As you can see it over here, they are going to be giving you 1,750 for a start, right? And you are going to be given a time for you to do this task, right? So you have to click on the invite now. So once you click on invite now, it is going to bring you to this place. So you have to click on copy, right? You have to click on copy to copy the link. So the next thing you are going to do, guys, you are going to be inviting what? 4 persons. It is over here. You are going to invite 4 persons. It says invite 4 new users to earn 2,000 naira. Only 2 users. Guys, I know some persons can invite more than 10 persons. I'm very sure some persons can invite more than 20 persons, 15 persons, right? So let's just say in a day you'll be getting average of 8 persons, right? 8 persons. I know some persons can even get more than 20 persons, 30 persons, 40 persons. I know some people can do it, they are good in doing that. But let's just say you don't have strength, you were able to get only 8 persons in a day, right? So let me quickly go to my calculator and do some calculation and see how much we are going to be making if we are to invite at least 8 persons in a day. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's quickly do some calculation. So let's just say you're getting 8 persons, right? So 4 persons is 2,000 naira. So 8 persons is what? 4,000 naira in a day. That's the amount you're going to be making in a day, right? So let's just say you have to do it for like 6 days. All right, so 4,000 naira in a day times 6, you are going to be making yourself 24,000 naira. You are going to be making yourself 24,000 naira. So let's just say, okay, maybe you have to increase it to 12 persons, right? 12 persons. You are going to be making 48,000 naira for yourself in 12 days. Guys, this is really profitable. People are doing this and people are making a lot of money. I just said, let me share this to us so that you also will jump into this and start making money for yourself. All right. So, guys, let's quickly go to the giveaway of the day. The first 20 persons that is going to click on the link, get registered, then buy airtime of 100 naira, send me a DM using my contact you are seeing on the screen right here. I am going to credit your wallet. All right, so guys, jump into this, make money for yourself. If you are yet to like this video, please hit the like button. All right, if you are still here to subscribe to our channel, smash the subscription button and turn on the bell notification so you always get updates just like this one you watched.
Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate it. If you are still here to like this video, I still don't know what you're waiting for. Smash the like button of this video. And if you are still here to subscribe to our channel, I still don't know what you're waiting for. It does not take extra data. Smash the subscription button of this channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you always get notified each time we post beautiful videos just like this one you watched. Until next time, I'll see you again, comrades. Bye.